Hello everyone. Today we will be solving type 2 structural problem where a single planar feature containing the linear feature. In that we will be studying the type, that is attitude of a planar feature with rake of linear feature containing in it, and find out bearing and plunge of the linear feature. The problem is a hematite quartzite strikes 35 degrees and dips 65 degree towards south, 55 degree east. It has a lineation due to joint system with the rake of 45 degrees. Decide plunge and bearing of lineation on the hematite quartzite. So out of this problem, the given is attitude of bed, that is orientation or the entire. So that is the strike is 35 degree. Direction of dip is south, 45 degree east with 65 degrees dip amount, and the rake is given, that is 45 degree. We have to identify bearing of lineation and the plunge. So to solve this, the first problem, first we have to take from the center O, we have to take the north south directions, mark the north south and east west. So this is the point O, north, south, east and west. So first we have to plot the attitude of this bed. The out of that attitude, the given is 35 degree strike. So from the center, so here it becomes the strike which is of the 35 degree, so not 35 degree, and then we have the dip direction is south, 55 degree east. Basically it is exactly perpendicular to what we have as the strike, so but still again we can just go with it. South 55 degree, which is perpendicular to so this becomes the true dip direction of south 55 degree east. Now as per the problem, we have the dip amount is 65 degree. So we always have to start the dip amount from the true dip direction. So here we have the true dip direction. So this is the true dip direction. So from this true dip direction, count the 65. And from there mark this as this bedding plane. So this angle is of 65 degree. So here we can get the bedding plane, or rather bedding plane. Now as per this, नहीं अभी तक तो ये ठीक है, just a moment. This is the dip amount. Then the next step comes as we have to take the another strike line with the interval which is parallel to this strike. So we can take the 2 centimeters parallel point. Okay, So strike where the L should be perpendicular to 2 centimeter. It is perpendicular. So what we can have, we'll just demarcate this 2 centimeter distance over here and make the parallel line, parallel strike to this. So use the set squares. Yeah. So this is the so this is the which is strike for lower reference. This is the strike line for the lower reference. Generally this L, you can take it 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, anything which is suitable or which is convenient for you, so that we can take it. The point which intersects on this dip is treated as the A, and the point which comes on the strike TDD, that is A dash. So now we have the A and A dash as the points, and this can be treated as now the bedding plane. Then the next procedure comes as take the distance or that from the center OA. Now this is the OA, from point O से लेकर के A, mark that A and OA लेना है, ठीक है. So with this OA, mark the point B on the TDD, ठीक है. आगे नहीं गया तो चलेगा. Mark the point as B. So now we have the B. From this B, make the another parallel with this. You can, for this parallel, now this line is again the second strike line. So this is the second strike line. Now here we can now we have to take the lineation. For the lineation from the TDD, we have to mark the lineation on both sides. The given lineation is 45 degrees. So on both sides, mark the 45 degree. This is the trace of lineation which is of the 45 degree. Okay, that is the rake which is given. Then we have to identify this rake is intersecting at this third strike line, that the strike line is where it intersects is C C dash. So the line on the trace of mark which is cutting, that is treated as the C dash. So this becomes the third parallel strike line for the C dash. We have to make the perpendicular distance and mark the perpendicular distance from the C dash on the point on the line A dash. So this is the intersecting point. Is the perpendicular one. To join till on the A. And they named as D dash. So here we have the 90-degree angle for the formation. After this join the OD and OD dash. This is the join where it get. This is O. And O. And this is known as a bearing of lineation. Bearing of lineation. We can measure the bearing also. Immediately we can measure the bearing. It's not 60-degree east is here. South 13-degree west will be the bearing for this problem. Now we have to go to identify the plunge also. Plunge is the measurement on the vertical plane. So we have to replicate this. Now the distance A dash. Okay, so the distance A dash, measure the distance A dash. .4 is there. So this same 4.4, you have to take this 4.4 on the bearing. So here the bearing is there. You have to make the perpendicular to bearing. This is the perpendicular from this point. You have to make it from this intersecting point. And 4.4, this distance was A dash was the 4.4. So same 4.4 you have to mark on this. This 4.4. So this 4.4, that is we'll name it as the F. So this F is a perpendicular on the bearing. So this FD is what it is equals to. So this FD is equals to A dash only. Okay, so the distance between A dash जो जितना है उतना ही same distance we have taken it from the DF. Join that OF and join that angle. And now the angle FOD dash, the angle ठीक है, this is the angle 45. Okay, so bearing is, one bearing is this, and the plunge is the 45 degrees. Just a moment, let me check once again. Hmm, 44. Okay, 44 degrees. The lineation. So this is about the type which we have to study and understand for the single planar feature joining the linear feature. This will be the one bearing, and this will be the another bearing. Okay. The plunge is the angle FOD dash.